In order to create a simple template in PowerPoint, we need to learn about slide masters and slide layouts. Let me begin by defining a slide master and a slide layout. In PowerPoint, every slide is based on a slide master and an associated layout. Slide masters and slide layouts are templates that are provided already by PowerPoint. Slide masters have the advantage of keeping the slides in a presentation consistent without your having to format each and every slide. Therefore, the background stays the same. Information you would like to have appear on every slide will be the same. Each kind of information can be positioned in a specific location on every slide, and so forth. Each slide master has associated with it a series of slide layouts. These inherit all of the characteristics of the slide master, but they contain additional formatting, positioning, placeholders that can be different for different layouts. Let's begin by showing how we see the slide layout in PowerPoint. Let's take a look at the slide master in a typical PowerPoint presentation. I've opened the editor. It already opened automatically to a layout for a title slide. In order to view the slide master, I need to make sure that certain items on the ribbon are checked. I have included here Home and View, but the other two that need to be checked, I'm going to customize the ribbon here. The other two that need to be checked here are the slide master here that's checked, and down at the bottom one that's called Home Master Views. This will enable the slide master tab to show up when we look at the slide master. Alright, let's go back here. In order to view the slide master then, I click on View, I go to the Master View group, and I click down here on Slide Master. And it opens up then to the typical slide master. At the left here I've shown the thumbnail views of the slide master. The top one is the master slide, and each of these underneath that master slide are different layouts. Now that we have found the master view, perhaps the first thing we need to do is to make sure that we customize this master view as we learned early on. We want to have complete control of our slide, and the master view determines what every slide will look like. Here we can see that the typical slide is the list of bullet points. We don't want that, so we want to customize this master view. So the first thing we'll do here is to go and eliminate these placeholders. A placeholder for the title, we'll click on that, we'll eliminate it, we'll just say delete. And then this list of bullet points we don't need either, we'll delete. At the bottom here are a list of various things that can be on it. If we go to the slide master theme here and we go to the master layout, we can see that there are things that we can have. We can have a title and a text, which you just eliminated. We can have the date that the slide was created, a slide number, and a footer. For now, we'll turn all of these things off. So we end up with a completely blank screen. Now we probably want to format the background of this screen, so again we go to the slide master, we click on background, we can see here background styles, here's some here. We'll go to format the background as we did before. Remember, we wanted a gradient field, so we came here, we clicked here, we found a bunch of gradients that aren't quite showing on there. I'm clicking the one that has the gray background with the top, and now down here we want to say apply to all. That will allow all the slides in our presentation to have the same background because we have made the slide master have that background. You will note here that there are a large number of layouts associated with the slide master, all kinds of things that they anticipate that you might want to have. So these are previous templates or layouts that have already been there. Some of these we might want to use, and others we probably don't want to use. So probably the best thing to do is to go through and eliminate those that we don't want to use. We're clearly not going to use this bullet point list, so we're going to go here and say let's delete that layout. Here's one that has a title, we might use that. Here's another one that has two lists, and we can eliminate that one. I will go through and eliminate the others, but you can see how that might work. You may want to choose the ones you want to leave. You may want to keep one with a blank. You may want to keep one with a title on the top. I have retained only 4 of the original layouts that were included in this PowerPoint presentation. The one is the title page. Here's a blank screen with a title on the top, and here is our completely blank screen, although it does have some footer information down below. To create a new layout under our Slide Master, we go to the Slide Master tab. You'll see here item called Insert Layout. We put Insert Layout, and it created a layout for us, and it created one with a title on the top as the standard layout, which is fine. We may still use that. In the next presentation in this workshop, we will demonstrate how to use Slide Masters to create a simple interactive instructional template.